Here I have Peugeot Expert, and let me show you how to use the summertime feature on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the settings button located at the upper side of the screen. Then from the following menu, all you need to do is select here the date and time. Under date and time, you can change to the time or the date. Let me use time. And under time, you can enable the daylight saving summertime. Let's enable this toggle. So a quick toggle to shift the clock forward or backward for seasonal changes. So if you have this feature enabled, the car will automatically change the hour if it's time to do it in your country. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.